Alrighty then. I am going to get some food. I'm hungry. Hey, there's a Family Mart right beside where I'm staying, and I walked all the way around the corner to a different one. Callum, that was stupid. Anyway, quick bike lineup. Sniper 150, Wave 125, Wave Dash, RS6, and then a faithful EX5. Gotta love an EX5. If you don't, you're a bad person. There's a place that I want to go to. It's an underground food court, basically. It's some big meat. It's cool. It's a nice bike. Guy's running a VFR as his police bike. How cool. Anyway, combi. Selling canned coffee. We've got a dragon coming this way. Oh, there's some dragon members behind me. I wonder what's happening. This sign up here is where we want to be. Or all of these signs. This is called Lot 10. So you come along. Oh, durian. Ugh. This is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Watch your head. Got to get right down into the middle. You can't buy it the first place you see. There's some really good food, so you have a look. Toast. Of course, there's a toast restaurant. Pork rice. Look at that. It looks amazing. Fried chicken and rice. I had that for dinner last night, and that one looks much nicer, but it is just a photo. Porridge. Wow, seafood. Drinks. Drink counter. Interesting. Once again, can't buy yet. I've got to walk around the whole thing and have a look. Oh, actually, maybe I'm lying. That looks really good. The 3 combo rice. Yeah, that one. So I'm getting this one here, 3 different meats and rice. I gave him 50 ringgit, we're getting 28.50 change. I just have to do money handling. Excuse me. Yum. So that cost me 21 ringgit and 50 cents. It's $8. It's not expensive. I'm just not used to this money yet. We've got rice, we've got duck, and 2 kinds of pork, and a broth. I hope that broth is what I want it to be, which is kind of like a chickeny style broth. It's not bad. Delish. They also give you fancy little Lot 10 napkins. No English, so I don't know what the story is that they're trying to tell inside. But yeah, check that out. Really, really good. In New Zealand, this would be an easy 20 bucks, 15 bucks. Here it's 8. It's going to set me up so well for a good day of editing. I do watch quite a few YouTubers that travel and edit and stuff like that, and you know, I definitely don't put myself in that class, but my lord, after what is this, a couple days, I'm strung out. I don't know how they do it. I've never really figured out the best way to eat these broths. Some people drink them. Some people just use a spoon, like me. Some people don't even drink them. You could go for like a Coke or a Sprite right now. Not sponsored, but I wouldn't mind if it was. We can do more of this stuff for you. Anyway, takes a certain level of humility, lack of fucks, I guess. So sit here and film yourself eating in the middle of a food court. Yeah, anyway, instead of punishing you and making you watch me eat chicken broth, I'm probably going to end the video here, so yum. Yum, yum, yum. I'm out. I'm going to go do some editing, and yeah, I'll see you in next See You. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Moving Our World. There'll be some more transportation stuff once I get to Thailand, because I've got a lot more time I've spent. Oh, the dragon's going. Hold on. There you go. That's who we were following when I went in there. Anyway, the episode really is going to end now. What a banger. It's a large beer. Alright, we're done. I'll talk to you later.